My name is Jenna Pilant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom?
Happy New Year, color lovers! I, like you, was more than ready to say bye, Felicia, to 2020. And although my gut is already telling me that 2021 will most likely somewhat resemble the past dumpster fire of a year, I am, however, feeling very optimistic about my 2021 projects. So much so, I am vowing right here and now to tackle 21 of them in 2021. Wow. Why? It's mostly for my mental sanity's sake. I mean, sure, there are 2 vaccines now, and heck yes to no longer seeing Captain Cheeto in the White House. I still cannot believe the last 4 years actually happened. I need something to aspire to while our world continues to sort through this pandemic mess. Work has always been the best medicine for this born and raised doer of a Nebraska farm girl. And I'm kicking off 2021 with a big project. One I pitched back in July to the lovely folks at my home away from home, the Home Depot. You might remember seeing something about it on my Instagram this past summer. Either way, here's a quick refresher for you. My Haven Conference 2020 Orange Tank pitch. Have you ever felt you were born decades too late? Hey there, Home Depot and fellow Haveners. My name is Jenna Pilant, and I am a rainbow-loving designer here in San Diego. Welcome to the ATOMIC ATRIUM Project. For the last 2 years, I have been renovating our brick ranch-style house into a retro work of art on my YouTube channel. And I hope to keep those renovations going with Home Depot's financial support. I want to transform our currently stark 50 Shades of Tan atrium area into an inviting 70s-inspired sunken living room space. From the moment you walk through the door, this atrium area is the focal point of the house. And this project would be a groovy way to pay homage to a decade we love while also creating a cozy feeling within our home. Using both tools I already own and will rent from the Home Depot, I will demo this rock wall water feature along with the teak flooring you see below, revealing the already built concrete tub underneath that will act as the ground floor of this future conversation pit. Then, once I know what I'm dealing with, I will reimagine this space with supplies from the Home Depot, building concrete benches, stairs, and a new knee wall height water feature that will add good vibes, as he said here. Can you dig it? Now, I know this ATOMIC Atrium project might seem far out to some, but this idea has the DIYer in me absolutely stoked. And this $5,000 prize, well, it would give a Home Depot doer like myself an opportunity to get even more stuff done in our home. Thank you so much for your consideration, and I am happy to answer any questions you may have. Then something very unexpected happened. The Home Depot chose not one, but 2 $5,000 category Orange Tank winners.
This year we do have 2 winners. I should have said that. We had 2 $5,000 winners. So Stacy again, great work. That. And our second winner is...
Oh.
Yes!
Oh my God.
Yes!
Thank you, ladies.
ATOMIC Atrium Project, which we thought was so unique, so cool. She's planning on demoing her entire living room and just completely redoing it. So we are so pumped to be able to work together on this and join you on this journey. Congrats. And congrats to
my girl.
We love this space. I've got my
I
own
can't
place
believe
to work.
it.
Ryan has her own place to work. But there's one problem.
Stay tuned for more Room Bloom on YouTube, y'all. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Home Depot.
Yeah, we've got a lot of books.
There's just no words.
That we just stuck in the
Yepers color lovers, it's about to get all sorts of groovy up in the Pilant household. I've got an atomic atrium project to tackle, aka a sunken living room conversation pit to build, and I am so beyond thankful to have the Home Depot's financial creative backing on this. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, and tune back to Room Bloom on YouTube Wednesday, January 13th to see me demo this atrium space in preparation for the Atomic Atrium Project.